So welcome back, guys. I am very happy to have you here at this moment. In our previous lesson, we were looking at how to set the homepage of our website. We also look at how to set up the the courses page of our website. So we are going to continue from there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, then kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and after that, don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. Select the notification button for all so that you will not miss any important video on this channel. Please make sure that you did not skip any part of this video. Watch it till it ends. So now let's come to add a new blog. Click on it, add a new blog, and let's select this one. We want to add some image, so select that one, then click on apply. Good, we have it here now. Click on it and let's choose an image. So click on choose an image. Good. So let me search for the image that I want to use for this. So I would like to use this image. So it's now loading. Please make sure that you have a strong internet connection whilst doing this. Alright, so this is the official logo of our business. So you can decide to crop it or leave it like this. So let me just reduce the size a little bit. Okay, so let's come to this side here, image description. So you can write something here, official logo. If you want it to show, then you activate it here, because I want it to show, so I will activate it there. When you are done, you click on apply. And let's wait for it to load. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like our videos. Don't forget to comment on these videos, and don't also forget to share our videos with your friends and family members. Alright, so this is what we have here. Now we want to link it with another button. So click on this and let's see what happens. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's click on this one too and see what happens. Okay, I hope you can see that. So let's go back. Alright, now let's move to the course section. So click on courses. Good, we have it here. Now we want to add images to these sections here. So click on the first one and let's select an image. So you click on choose an image and it will take you to your gallery. We want to use a particular image for that section. So that is the image I have just selected. So it's now loading. Good. So this is the image that I want to use for this particular section. So click on website development course. Website development masterclass. Then you activate it to show or to appear on your site. Then you click on apply. Good, so we have it here, website development masterclass. We want to add another one. Let's add another one. So choose an image and it will take you to your gallery. Select the particular image that you want to use for this course. Okay, so let me select this one and name it again. So I can decide to name it graphics design masterclass because it's a graphics design flyer. So description, graphics design masterclass. Good, so you activate it from here. then click on apply. So it's also here, it will soon appear. Now let's go to the third one and add another flyer to represent another course. Okay, so this time around let's select a different thing. Let's move to bulk SMS training. Bulk SMS training. So it's now loading. Let's wait patiently for it. So always make sure that you have a strong internet connection before you do this. And don't also forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Okay, so for the sake of these tutorials, that is why I'm using these flyers. So when you are designing your own, make sure that you use a high quality image, or the flyers that you're going to use must be of the highest quality. Okay, so bulk SMS masterclass. Good. Now click on apply. Good. So we have them here. Alright, now let's move to the next thing. Let's go to the menu here, click on it, and let's come to the topic page. So let's change that. Let's click on it to load, and then we change it. Alright, so that is the contact page. So we want to change it. We want to change the name of that page to contact. We want to change the name to contact. So click on apply. Okay, so let's go back to do our necessary settings. Okay, so contact. You can make it bold, so you can click on it again. You can click on the contact again, highlight the whole text, come to the capital B here, is bold, click on it and center it, and click on apply. Good. So now a title to this block. So contact us through the following. Then you highlight the whole text, make it bold, center it, and click on apply. Now let's write something brief here. We are going to write something brief here. So click on this section here. Click on this section and let's type. So telephone number. So you add your telephone number, the 05406220. So that one too, you need to prepare for it. When you are done with that, you click on apply. So let's wait and see what will happen next. Good. So that is what we have there. So when people want to contact you, they will enter their email address here, the subject, and then their message here. Okay, so let's go and enable the chat feature. So click on this one to enable it. Good. Now let's go back to our menu. So click on this one. Let's come to add a new page. Let's add a new page. So we want to add an empty page to upload our videos. Let's upload an empty page to upload our videos. So click on one of the pages and then click on apply. Good. Let's go back to this one and rename it videos. So videos, and click on apply. Good. Now let's go to the menu. let's change this one to our videos. Our videos. Then make it bold and click on apply. So highlight everything here. Click on bold and click on apply. Okay, now let's click on add new blog. Let's click on add new blog and let's go to special here. Let's search for something here. Let's click on videos and let's click on apply. Alright, so we have it here. Now let's click on it to add our video. Good. So we are going to add the video from YouTube. So click here to go to your YouTube. So that is step 1. Step 2 is go to the video you want to insert. Step 3 is copy. That is, you click on the share button and copy the link. Then you come and paste it in the link below here. So let's click on the link there to go to YouTube and select the particular video that we want to upload there. Okay. So let me log into my channel. So you come to this side, click on it and click on your channel. Good. Now let me search for the video that I want to upload there. So let's come to this one. I want to select this one, cheap data bundle trick. So click on it and click on the share button. Share. Then you click on copy link. So click on copy link. Good. Let's go back. Let's go back to our app and paste the link that we copied from the YouTube into the space provided there. So anytime you log out of the app and you are coming back to do something in the app, they will ask you to log in again. So please be aware of that. Okay, now let's click on the menu button there and let's go to videos. Click on videos. Let's click on the videos for that menu to pop up so that you can paste the link that we copied from YouTube. So click on the empty space there. Now come to the space here and paste the link you copied from YouTube and click on OK here. Then you click on apply. Good. So we have our video here. We have the video here successfully. Now if you want to upload another video, you click on add a new blog. Then you come to special. After clicking on the special, then you come to video. You click on it. You come to apply and click on apply. Then you click on the empty space there again. Then you go to click on the link here and go to YouTube. Then when you go to the YouTube, you select the video that you want to upload. So you click on this icon here. Go to your channel. So log into your channel. Then your videos will pop up for you. You select the one that you want to use. So let me select this one, website design part 1. So let's select that one and let's click on the share button and come to copy link. Then you go back to your app now. Come to the link, the space provided here for the link. You paste your link there. You click on apply. Click on apply and let's wait patiently for the page to be ready for see our video. We have our video here, so you can upload as many as you want to upload. Now let's go back and let's add another blog. We want to add another blog, but because I don't want these tutorials to be long, I would like to end this one here and continue in the next tutorials. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button Don't forget to like this video if you really enjoy it. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.